Hello students, welcome to Science Fact Educations. In these questions, we have to calculate the density of the crystal. And the most important thing is that our system is an orthorhombic system. So you should know the formula of volume with respect to orthorhombic system. Okay? And also in these questions, the formula unit is 4. So we know that density is equal to formula unit Z into molar mass divided by Avogadro number into volume of the orthorhombic system. The formula of the volume with respect to orthorhombic system is nothing but A cross B cross C. A into B into C. Since all the options having the unit that is gram per centimeter cube, so of course we have to use the edge length in terms of centimeter, and we know that 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 8 centimeter. So on the basis of that, if we want to calculate the density, we will get the answer in terms of gram per centimeter cube, since Z is 4 and molar mass of lithium borohydride. Whatever the atomic mass is given, we have to use that value only, because isotopes is also possible with respect to boron or hydrogen. That is why in these questions atomic mass is already mentioned. So the mass of, that is molar mass of lithium borohydride, that will be 22 gram per mole. You can calculate yourself also. And also Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 per mole. Into A is what? 6.8 angstrom. So I am going to mention first only numerical value, that is 6.8, and then in final we will also mention that is 10 raised to the power minus 8 for each edge length. So 6.8 into 4.43 into 7.17, and of course all edge length already given in terms of angstrom. So in terms of centimeter, it will be what? 10 raised to the power minus 24 centimeter cube. Of course per mole and per mole will be cancel out. Gram and gram will not be cancel out. Of course finally we will get 0.676 gram per centimeter cube. This is the answer. Okay, so the correct answer is C. Thank you for watching this video.